is the stairs are to the left over there. This is where our unit sits. Obviously this will need to be moved out of the way, but the furnace, we're going to need a new switch. Modify any sheet metal, new vent, pipe. Probably 4-inch all the way across, and then a reducer. We've got a 20 by 25 by 1 filter. Got an old humidifier. Fuse box sits over here in the corner. And our drain line goes along the wall here. And somehow, looks like it drains into the sink. It looks like it's dipped down a little bit, so might have to fix that.